Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, My Life Insurance for Elderly. My website, myfuneralalinsuranceforseniors.com presents best burial insurance for parents for every age. Before that, if you have not subscribed this YouTube channel, please subscribe now to get latest update. Friends, in the 21st century, every individual wants to keep themselves and their family safeguarded from any mishaps. Also, one wants to ensure that they have a protective layer or backup for the tough times. Burial insurance is one of the important parts of the lives of an individual, especially if you are a senior citizen. In the recent times, most of the individuals are becoming aware of the fact that how much a burial insurance for parents is essential. So you need to understand that opting for a funeral policy at the right time will help you to relax for the rest of your life. Nowadays there are different types of burial insurance policies according to the age and health condition of the individuals. So if you want to opt for a funeral insurance, then you need to search for the best burial insurance companies online and avoid any fake insurance or policy. You can search on various platforms as well as the forums for the best funeral insurance. This will help you to get burial insurance for parents at affordable insurance costs. There are different specialized insurance companies out there which aim to serve the individuals who want to get themselves insured. You can look for these companies or agencies around your city and contact the best one. You can visit our website myfuneralalinsuranceforseniors.com to get quick quotes. You can even talk to your friends and people in your network to suggest some good insurance companies. Once you finalize a company, plan a meeting with the representative of the respective company. Always remember that you need to get all of your doubts cleared with the help of the representative of the particular company. This will help you to find and insure yourself and your family with the best and suitable burial insurance coverage. Burial insurance mainly deals with the expenses related to steps after the person has left the world. It is quite difficult from the final expenses. Life insurance, as the latter one, can involve other expenses too, like the medical expenses, car payments, as well as mortgages. Best burial insurance for parents companies. Friends, if you are opting for a burial insurance policy, you need to make sure that you have got a proper plan for the premium payments too, in case you are a retired person. When you go to an insurance company, let them know your expectations and requirements concerning the funeral insurance and its premium. These are some companies: Best Burial Insurance, State Farm Final Expense, MetLife, Americo, Transamerica, United Home Life, Gerber Mutual of Omaha. There are several insurance businesses that charge separate fees concerning the burial insurance for parents' costs. In case you find the premium to be too high than what you found on information sites and other resources, then widen your search to find the best one. There are various steps associated with the burial insurance application and completion of the procedure at different ages. You need to have complete information before you plan to opt for a particular burial insurance policy. Friends, so it's always recommended to ask a family member or trusted friend accompany you for the procedure. In this way you can find the best burial insurance for parents and insure your family for the tough times in your absence. Visit our website myfuneralalinsuranceforseniors.com to get quotes from the topmost reputed companies of the United States. Thank you friends. If you have any comment regarding this, you can write in the comment section. Thank you for watching.